This ramen bowl was gifted to me by I Love Peace in exchange for telling you about it. And this is an incredible gift to be able to give to someone, whether they are just moving out into a dorm or whether it's for someone that you just want something to take your leftovers to work to warm up on lunchtime. However you're going to use this, it's just incredible. I love that it's a great big bowl. This could be used for either one person or more. It says 40 ounces, but that's 40 ounces to the very, very top. 4 cups is about to there. So 32 ounces or a quart works great in here. It comes with chopsticks that are metal. If you are going to be heating this up in the microwave, don't forget to take the chopsticks out because you're not supposed to put metal in the microwave. It also comes with a spork. I got mine in a 2-pack and it came with metal forks that go in this little pouch here. And the 2-pack I got had these colors. I just love that they give you the utensils to eat with. And that this is a really easy way to pack them so you don't have to have a separate container for the utensils. This is something that you can use either to make some instant ramen, the little packs, that are about like this. You can put up to 2 of those packs in here. The directions that they give are that if you are making a pack of it, put it in there, fill it with water. Don't put the lid on it for best results, according to them, and cook it for 3 minutes in the microwave. If you want to put this on afterwards and then lift this off, which releases steam, you can use this actually as a strainer. That's really cool as well. And if you are cooking other things beyond ramen, you can cook it with this on. Just always remember to leave it a vent hole. That's the best for it. You can use this in the microwave. You can use this in the refrigerator. You can use it in the freezer. It's rated up to just a ridiculously low temperature. So I love that. This is really easy to use. I think it's really convenient. I love that it will hold up to a quart. Size-wise, it's 3 inches deep in here. It is with the top on. This is 6 1/4 inches here to here, but if you include the handle, that's 7 inches across. With the lid, it's 3 1/2 inches tall, and it is just a really great size for either cooking ramen or for sharing a bowl of chili that you just warmed up, or a side dish for the whole family. It's just a really convenient size. It's a really well-made product, and I'm thrilled with this.